Hey guys, back with another video, part two. I told y'all. Sorry, I was just eating some Skittles. But I told y'all that I will, give out a video once it's over. So this is understandable since I'm new. But look at them hits though. I did my best. I'm new to a ship. I never played it before. I did my best. Mm, mm, mm. Man, the Hipper it's not a bad boat at all. Like it. My last pin just achieved. Unlocked. Play one random battle with a commander that has at least 9 skill points. Damn. Cancel. Oh, they said skill points. Okay, so yeah, I can do it. 12? Hell yeah. Hoorah. Sorry about that. I'm trying to get my man's motto up in this joint again. Dang, nobody's online, man. Let me get my container. I'm low on cash, so I'll just say more credits. I'm hurt. My bank account was just drained. I'll take it. Oh. Oh, he joined. Hey, what's up, bro? Remember me? GI boy. But dude, I finally got the hipper. I got the hipper. So sit that ass down, boy, and watch how it's done. But hold on, I might have put on the second haul on my hipper. So give me a quick second. And I'm recording right now. Let's see here. Shit, I need it because last battle I was. Oh, that bill though. Damn, I am broke. I am. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's better. I'm liking what I see. Liking what I see. How you been, man? How's your kids? Your 14 kids? Yo, I hope you know that I'm playing with you, right? Look at all that though. 867 with 22,000. I'm telling you, it better not take away my doubloons. I'm going to be. Yeah, I'm with you, man. Can you hear me? Oh, can you hear me? Hold on, y'all. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video here. I don't know what else to say except I'll send out a video tomorrow. I think I'm gonna make that one be avoid the tanks. All right, well, see ya.